Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Telegram account. To sign up for your Telegram account, firstly open your Telegram application. Swipe to the left till the end and click on Start Messaging. Allow Telegram to receive calls so that Telegram can automatically confirm your number by clicking on Continue. Allow Telegram to make and manage calls. On the next page, confirm your country code and enter your phone number. Confirm your number and then click on Yes. Now, allow Telegram to read all the call logs so that it can automatically enter your code sent to your phone. Enter the activation code. After entering your activation code, enter your name and add your profile picture if you want to, and then tap on an arrow icon. This is how you can sign up for your Telegram application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Thank you so much for watching.